What's up guys, it's AirStuff FPV here, and in this video I'm going to review and test a new AKK video transmitter, which is the AKK Ultra Long Range TX5000 AC video transmitter. It's a compact 5000 milliwatt or 5 watt video transmitter with 80 channels. It actually goes beyond the 5.8 gigahertz spectrum, hence they sent a 5.8 gigahertz antenna and a 5 gigahertz antenna. So inside this box we would meet the video transmitter, which is in this protective foam, which is always nice, and then we would meet the antenna extension from an MMCX type connector to an SMA type, and then the cable of course for the video transmitter, and the user manual. So this video transmitter powers on from 4S to 7S batteries, with a 6S battery being at the optimum operating voltage. It features smart audio, has a 5 volt feed off to power a 5 volt device like a camera, but consumes under 0.5 amps. It has 6 output power modes. It has no microphone, an MMCX connector, and then you have the cable connector with JST. It's a 6-pin, the dimensions, weight, and kit content. And here below we see the diagram with the connector, button, the LEDs on the side, and the cable. So when I look at the video transmitter, we would see that the 8 red LEDs are these one right here, and then the 4 blue LEDs for the 12 bands, which are here in the middle, and then the power LEDs, which are green, are here at the far left. Looking at the design of the TX5000 AC, with these huge cooling fins and integrated blowing fan between them, it kind of gets thought of the Alpha series video transmitters, which is one right here, with the Alpha 10 being twice as big but outputting twice as much video transmitting power. This is 5000 milliwatts and this is 10,000 milliwatts. But looking back at the 5000 milliwatt video transmitter, the TX5000 AC, with the stated dimensions of 36 millimeters by 36 millimeters with an height of 15 millimeters, and having the capability of also hooking up to 80 different frequencies and packing 5000 milliwatts of video transmitting power, I think that AKK did a really great job of producing these kind of video transmitters of size and weight to be this capable and powerful.
So to test the transmitter out, I modified my Twin Boom FPV platform and went to a flying spot, excited to see how it'll perform, but only to find out I got everything I needed but the battery to power the ground station with an onboard recorder. I didn't want to waste time and gas to bring the battery, so I improvised by recording small fragments with my iPhone in the goggles, which I always have as a backup. The transmitter was set to 500 milliwatts and maintained a solid picture until the 2 kilometer threshold, which I found a bit odd. This might do with the VTX antenna that it currently has from AKK, but I'm not sure. Because of this, I'm thinking about doing a range test with my standard Pagoda antennas and see if they're better than the ones that AKK sent. So this video will be followed up, and I hope you guys will stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.